Also, again, I'm sorry for, like, being gone so much. I hope you guys understand, it's just a respectable, like, little break. And I hate to be, like, unpredictable and stuff and, like, backtrack on progress, quote unquote, as a content creator. But I just fucking, I don't know, man. Schedules and planning is killing my vibe. What? What? You think that's stupid? Huh? You have something to say, Reese's? Oh, yeah? Yeah, I bet you could make it big. Yeah, everybody's a fucking critic, I swear to God. We got this dude again. Oops, sorry, that wasn't the last card. We got
I've
that.
known this
Hello?
cat for about 10 minutes, and if anything happened to her, I'd kill everyone in.
Reese's, what is it? What is it? You heard the honk? Yeah, she just honks like